Next award is for Sports Review, which is brought to you by SMC Plus Electrolyte Drink by SMC. Let's see the nominations, please.
Sports Review category, brought to you by SMC Plus. The nominees are Nishchuk Shovik, Talking Tiki Taka, Kicks and Six.
Okay, wait. Thamo. Age. Winner diyo na. Go back. আমাদের কি ওই ফিচারটা আছে where we can go back? না, এখন প্যানেলে সবাই প্যানিক করা শুরু করছে. Okay, so any guesses? কে হতে পারে the winner? হ্যাঁ, I hear Tiki Taka, yes. একটা ভাই ওর নিজের নাম বলতেছে. Okay, any guesses? Any guesses, guys? Neon and Non নাই, ও গত বছর পাইছে. Any guesses? Hamza Chaudhary. Okay, football. Yes, go. Okay, and the winner is
Kamara Black Back. Ball.
He's one of my sports influencers. হ্যাঁ, এখন প্লে করতে পারেন ভাই.
The winner is
Talking Tiki Taka. Let's go. Koi.
Can we have you on stage right now? There it is. Can we have the applause, ladies and gentlemen? He's here. Congratulations.
Thank you so much. Yes, of course. Yes.
Talking Tiki Taka would like to share a few words.
So, any Barca fans here? So this is the 4th title of the season. Till next time, and as always, Visca El Barça, Visca Team Tiki Taka.
All the football fans শুধু বুঝছে, which is the 5 of them. But thank you so much. I'm really happy for you. Thank you so much for sharing.
Thank you so much for being on stage.
Thank you. আপনি একটু থাকেন.
একটু থাকেন.